Hey guys, here it is, the second fireworks show that we're going to have down here. This is probably around, I would assume $5,500 of fireworks. It's not as much as I thought it would be. It is a lot. It's mostly cakes, 500-gram cakes. We had a lot of 200-gram cakes last year, so that's why it probably seemed a lot more. But a lot of this stuff is really expensive, and there's really big stuff. In fact, we got a lot of bigger stuff this time. And as you can see, we've got some pretty packed cakes in here. We're probably gonna end up switching some of this stuff around. And I'm over here making sure everything's perfect. Like these angled cakes here, I wanna make sure they're angled the right direction so we don't have any stuff flying towards people. Now that's interesting. I've never seen a cake like that. Mold, stuff like that. So yeah, there's a lot of fireworks. I've never really seen a lot of these things that I'm seeing here. We've got some more missile batteries here, as you can see. We've got a bunch of those. As a matter of fact, speaking of that, I did just go to a tent recently, and we got a couple things from them. Yeah, well, I'll show you guys that in another video, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Looking forward to this show here. I'm liking these Dominator cakes here. Some big tubes in here. That's probably 2-inch, maybe 2.5. I would assume. Yeah, this is interesting. Pretty small. That tube spacing is a little excessive though, but yeah, making sure everything's good and ready to go. And yeah, there's one we had last year. I remember seeing that last year in the show. We also have a pretty big roll of firecrackers here. I'm going to assume this is going to be the finale or something. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, this is massive. I mean, there's my hand in the middle of it. Let's see here. 16,000 firecrackers. That's quite a bit. So yeah, this is a pretty nice, definitely really nice selection of fireworks. It's obviously not what you usually see. Most shows you go to are more organized. They have firing systems. This is something that we're just gonna go all out on. We're gonna hand light all of these cakes and let the show go on its own. So it's a pretty interesting setup here, actually. We've got a flatbed trailer and a piece of a boat dock here. Last year we had it on a boat dock too, but it was a lot more stuff. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this show. It's tomorrow, but I will obviously be showing you this in the same video. But yeah, we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you guys that stuff. I'll probably end up showing you guys a couple more videos before we do that, but yeah, very nice. I'm looking forward to it. There's the 16. There's the finale. I'll be lighting this part. I'm gonna record you guys do the main show, then I'll light the finale. got someone doing some fireballs over here. Nice. Almost ready. Got everything set up. And we've got some safety precaution right here. Fireworks all over the place. Here goes a little tiny opener. What are you doing? You're just torching the side of it.
I think I'm trying to light the fuse.
Dad, blow it out. Dad, turn on your light so you can see
Headlight. Oh yeah, right.
Turn on your headlamp.
I
Dad,
am.
you can't see if it's gonna blow up in your face if you don't have your headlamp on.
Right.
Come let me light it, Dad. Come here.
Right here.
Seriously?
Right here.
I'm gonna light it with this first.
Yeah, that'd be good. Dang it. You guys all made a fool of me.
Come on, turn off your flashlight.
I'd get rained on. Yep, everything's been checked. It's all good to burn. Oh, you just put it out. There you go.
Oh shit, sorry.
Got a couple of rows that did not go off, so I'm gonna keep these and we're gonna dispose of them. There's that one. A couple of larger tubes. These are water damaged tubes. There's one that's shot, but this one's got really messed up. And that's a missile battery that we did earlier. Yeah, I'll probably do a video on these sometime. Looks like I missed one. That's why you check your cakes before you burn them. An issue. Looks like I missed one. Looks like a couple of them went down there. sure there isn't more. Nice bonfire. Got a show going off over there too. Yeah, that's 1-3 stuff right there. Probably 3-4 inch.
We probably ought not be standing by there just in case another couple go off.
Yeah. Well, I'll show you guys the footage of from the distance of our show. It's a pretty nice show. Went pretty fast. Nice.
That was the year she was killed in December. Like I say, it was my last night, so I remember. November 2018 is when I didn't go back to work again. We have rentals. We have 2 homes and a condo here because we sold 2. And then we have 1. And if we sell that, we'll buy something here for us to live in. And then we'll just have this. And then we'll just have this out here for weekends. So the management's a good idea.
going off over there.
Yeah? That was awesome.
Little.
Little whistlers are hard. I liked when it did the red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
That's pretty cool.
Thinking about too many whistlers.
I think they said it was a 1600 shot or
This one?
something. Yeah.
It's probably going off the whole time.
Oh my word. 1600 might last all night. Ah. Whistling.
This whole place is a mess now. It was a pretty nice show. Yeah, there's firework wads and pieces everywhere. And we did have a couple of incidents, like one of the fireworks went off under the trailer and some went off in the fire. But yeah, it was a pretty nice show. Nobody got hurt. It was good. Yeah, right there's where that one exploded. And yeah, there's a goose feather. Here's the burn pile. Everything's all burnt up. This is just gonna be a pile of plugs and leftover paper and wood. Once it rains and washes this ash away, it's just gonna be a pile of plugs and stuff. And there's all the firecracker wrappers and stuff. It's a pretty big mess. But yeah, it's definitely all worth it. There's some stuff over here. What's this? That's shot. I did find a couple of unlit tubes last night. I came back over and picked up a few more of those up. See, I'll probably make a video on those or something. Here's all that other stuff. You can see where they were. That's pretty cool. There's all the wads and everything. That's a pretty crazy show. I definitely liked it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.